So, about a week ago, I did a tutorial on how to stream audio from your computer using VLC. And I had a viewer ask a question. He had a website, this website right here, that he likes to stream audio from. And he was asking how he could stream the audio from the command line. And all you need is the link to the stream. The only problem is a lot of sites try to hide that. They embed it in a Flash file and stuff. And I eventually found the link for him, and he asked how I found the link. So I'm going to show you my thought process of how I got to this. So first things first, I'm using Firefox here, and I have Firebug installed, which is a great little add-on that gives you a lot of information. And when you open it up, once you install it, you get this little icon down here. It looks like a bug. You click on that, it opens up. You can click on Net, and you can choose different things here. I just set it to all for right now, and that basically will show you all files that are being loaded by the web browser. So if I hit streaming here, you can see it start to load a bunch of stuff. Okay, we can stop that, but if you look through it, I didn't really find the stream I was looking for. I can find the FLV video that was just playing there for a second. And there's some XML files here that I didn't really look through, and the link may be in them. So you can search through them as your next option. But what I did at that point when I saw that didn't work, I decided to go another route. So I closed out this window, and we can close Firebug for now. And I go to my terminal, and I'm going to use ettercap to sniff the internet traffic. ettercap I've done tutorials on before, and it's more of an advanced tool. And it's not installed by default on most systems, but it should be in the repositories. And what we're going to do is go sudo ettercap -t for text mode, q for quiet, -i. ETHO is my network card, and that may be different on your system. That's very important because I know people are going to ask me questions that they're having problems, and it's because ETHO isn't their network card. It might, if you're using wireless, it might be WLAN 0, it might be ATHO. And if you have more than one network card, it could be ETH1 or ATH1 or WLAN1 and so forth. So do me a favor, and before you ask a question, make sure you're using the right network card. Okay, next thing we're going to do is we're going to do //space //, and that's basically telling ettercap to search all or collect all network traffic that's going through the local network right now. And then we're going to say -w, and we'll say live.cap. And that's just saying take all the stuff we capture and put it into this live cap file. We'll hit enter there, and we'll give it a moment to scan the network. Okay, and we're scanning. Now we'll go and click play on the streaming here, and we'll wait for the music to start. Okay. There we go. And once the music starts playing, you can close the browser. We can hit Q, and we can hit typing clear to clear the screen here. Okay, so now we have our live cap file, and we're going to, just for fun, we'll cat it out, which will display everything inside that file. So cat in the name of the file. And you can see a bunch of gibberish because a lot of it is binary. But there is going to be some plain text stuff in there, and we can search through it using grep. So we'll say grep-a. That -a is important here because that lets grep know that this is a binary file. If you try to grep through a binary file without doing -a, grep will freak out and tell you that it can't. So grep-a, and then what we're going to search for. And my thought process was originally I'd search for things like MP3 and other formats. I also searched HTTP, and then I started going through streaming formats, one of which is RTMP. So we'll just search RTMP and the live cap file, and when we hit enter, you can see here it displays on the screen any line that contains RTMP, and it highlights it. And you can see this link shows up 3 times, and I tried that and it didn't work. Next thing I saw this fpad after, so I tried adding that. I did this link with fpad, and that didn't work. And then I noticed here it says mount, goes on to the next line here, equals live stream. So I tried putting that at the end of the link, and that worked. So we'd use VLC-I for interface. We'll say dummy, and that will prevent the GUI interface from starting up. But if you want the GUI interface to start up, that you don't have to put that part. Next, I'll put in quotations this link here, and we'll add live stream to the end. Close our quotations when we hit enter. Might take a few seconds for it to buffer, but in a moment it will start playing the music from the site. There you go. And to close that out, we'll hit Control-C to kill that. And that is my thought process and how I found that link for that viewer. So it's a little, detailed there. Sometimes it's easier, sometimes it's harder, all depending on how much effort the website puts into hiding that information from you. Sometimes, like I said, Firebug will find those links for you right away, and sometimes you have to go packet sniffing, and as long as everything isn't encrypted, which usually streaming audio isn't, you should be able to find some plain text stuff in there. So I just wanted to go through my thought process there. It will be different for different sites, and you just have to think, what am I looking for? Capture it and think, what am I looking for? So I thank you for watching. I please ask you to visit filmsbychris.com. That's Chris with a K. There's a link in the description. And I hope that you have a great day.